and Vanjie Pons of V Pons Productions. Thank you, Tita Vanjie. Thank you, Mary. And of course, our production manager, Maricor Guillermo. Our technical manager, Ed. Our visuals, Menelux. Floor manager, Credence. Logistics head, Evelyn. Ticketing head, Audit. And our event staff, Madine, Josh, Zar, Darlene, Shanks, Zed, Arlene, and the rest of the team. And nag-enjoy ba kayo? Gusto niyo ba ba? Mahina. Gusto niyo ba ba?
Mahina ba?
Okay. Dahil dyan, meron kami kanta. Dahil sa inyo.
Yes!